Welcome to Jamaican Canadian Family Channel. This is what we have today. Some oxtail. Yeah? We're gonna prepare some oxtail today. Alright, this is how we deal with the seasoning. Some pimento leaf, scallion, onion, garlic, thyme, pepper. So we're gonna blend all of this together. Alright, we're gonna blend this out now. Sprinkle this all over the meat now, Then let's stir it up. Stir it over. Yeah, this is oxtail for dinner. Yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna cover them with the help and cover it. Yeah, we'll do this now to burn out the fat. Yeah? Burning out the fat out of the meat. Yeah, they're going to cover it. Cover, yeah. Alright, we're covering it down now. Make it set out the fat. All the fat set out when you do this. Some rice and peas. And this is the coconut for the rice and peas. We're gonna blend it up. Ready enough for the rice and peas. Yeah, this is the best thing for the rice and peas. The coconut juice, natural juice, not powder, natural juice. Rice and peas. And this is the coconut milk for the rice and peas. Here we go, some thyme and scallion.
He's not right, huh?
Yeah. I will store it. Yeah. Yeah. One. T-bag. Something going on. Yeah. This is for the rice and peas. In a moment, the rice will be into this. Simmering down. Yeah. T-bag, rock it out. Yeah, this is some natural spice for the rice and peas. Pepper and pimento leaf. All purpose. Yeah. No. It's not bad.
A little salt.
Yeah. Alright. Just going ready for the rice and peas anytime.
For the rice.
All these seasoning is for the coronavirus. This is the remedy for the coronavirus. Build the immune system. Make it stronger. So you eat a lot of this.
All of them seafood.
Yeah, that's the best.
Right. Yeah. It's nice.
Keep mine down. In the next 10 minutes, you will see. Cooking oxtail. Rice and peas. Look at it. Alright, it's some time and some more extra scallion and seasoning for the meat pot. This is where it's simmering down now, right to the bottom. Big up to Jamaica Canadian Family Channel. Every time. Natural cooking. Yeah, and this simmer down now to the bottom. You need a taste? I'm gonna give you a taste. Just a moment. Taste of a taste. This is some broad bean. On the top of this.
Right around.
All over. Some beans.
Right around.
Yeah. Broad beans. Yeah.
Beans.
Yeah.
Beans.
Beans and
more
oxtail.
Beans. Beans and more beans.
Yeah.
Yeah. You put some of the gravy there.
Yeah.
Some bread there.
Yeah. This is all the spice from all the ingredients that I show you. Scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, pimento leaf, all in one. You throw this all around on the meat. Yeah. Yeah, well now we add a little more spice. Make it more nice. You would love it. Ask for a taste of a taste. Oxtail, broad bean.
Irish.
Woo!
Finishing touch.
This is the finishing touch. Yeah. So you need to have a taste. Don't lose this taste.
Simmer down to gravy.
Simmer down to gravy.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You should try it also.
Why is it like that, Shane?
No, man, no, that's what it's sure, man. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing.
Yeah, man.
You put some more rice.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
Alright. Rice and peas and oxtail. Yeah? Catch the flavor. You need the taste. Bread, rice and peas. Yeah. Guava, apple, ginger, and cherry. Natural juice. Rice and peas, oxtail. Have a taste, man. You love it.
Yeah, we got
Yeah?
touch there.
You have it. Sit there. Over here, right away, a man want a taste.
Don't let it waste.
Yeah, don't let it waste, man. Enjoy the taste. And over here again. Yeah? Enjoy the thing, man.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
tasting good.
Oxtail, we have bread over here too. Anything you like. Bread, rice and peas.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, tastes good, man. Real.
Alright.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go back again.
Right, then, you know, not more.
When you want to come in from this, you know.
Yeah, we can eat some food.
Yeah? Do thanks, man. Good. The best way. Eat some more, man. Eat proper. Yeah, man.